A daily skincare routine should consist of a few key steps to help maintain healthy, clear, and youthful-looking skin. Here are some essential steps that you can follow. Cleansing. Start your routine by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. To remove dirt, oil, and makeup, use lukewarm water and avoid scrubbing your skin too hard, as this can cause irritation. Toning. After cleansing, use a toner to remove any remaining traces of dirt and oil, and to balance your skin's pH level. Apply it with a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your face. Serum. A serum can deliver concentrated ingredients deep into your skin, targeting specific concerns such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Apply a small amount of serum to your face and neck after toning. Moisturizer. A moisturizer is an essential step to hydrate and protect your skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it evenly over your face and neck. Sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial to prevent skin damage and premature aging. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. Eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate and requires special care. Use an eye cream to hydrate and brighten the area and to prevent fine lines and wrinkles.